Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BRTXQ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very rough day on this one. It started off as a gap and trap, and then things just continue to get rough, including the last 30 minutes. What do I mean by gap and trap in case you're new to charts and a beginner? Well, on Thursday, the price closed right there, and then this morning, the price opened up there. So that's when it's known as a gap up. And then this is where things get savage. As soon as the opening bell rang, there were some poor souls buying up around here. And then from there, it was just basically selling pressure the rest of the day. So that is the gap and trap that's taken place. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that line. It doesn't really serve a purpose right now. It's kind of irrelevant. But the one update that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into the day, 0.023 was that ideal level of support. I mean, it had done previously a fantastic job of holding that support. But then as the gap and trap started to pull back some more, price broke below there, and that just opened up another round of downwards pressure. So that is now definitely going to be that first key level of resistance to watch if there is any sort of attempted bounce. But really, even before you put too much focus on that area, the initial level of resistance here that's going to need to be monitored is right here at this level of 0.0195. So 0.0195 going to be that first key resistance. So again, before you really even talk about 0.023, the price is now first got to get up above 0.0195. As far as areas of support are concerned, let's change to green here. The next level of support right now is essentially where the bleeding finally stopped today in several locations. And that was right there at 0.016. You can see that 0.016 did a good job of providing support there, providing support right there. Again, though, with the last 30 minutes and that pretty rough-looking red candle, it's looking like 0.016 very well may be tested again on Monday. No guarantees, but it seems rational at this point in time given the final 30 minutes of the day. But yeah, today, gap and trap, and that just continue to fall apart, but who knows? We'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.